Hi, I'm Evan Cromwell, President and CEO of Protein Fluidics. I want to tell you about my company. The journey began about 8 years ago when I met a colleague of mine who had just invented some new microfluidic technologies. I'm a bit of a serial entrepreneur that I've started 6 companies. I'd say this is the one I'm most passionate about. What we've done is taken this microfluidic technology and turned it into a system, a lab on a chip system, that enables scientists to really study complex diseases. And in this time, we brought a product to market, our PUMA system, which is going to enable scientists to use 3-dimensional cell models, organoids, spheroids, tumoroids, to study the mechanism of complex diseases and really develop new next generation of therapeutics for the industry. I'm a bit of a technologist at heart. I started my career at UC Berkeley in physical chemistry. And over years developed a number of tools and analytical systems to help scientists solve complex questions in biology, physical sciences, semiconductor industry, a wide variety of different areas. About 20 years ago, I started working with these sort of new ideas of clusters of cells. These were spheroids, embroid bodies, mammospheres. And the basic premise was, well, humans are 3-dimensional, so why not use 3-dimensional models to study human diseases? Fast forward 20 years, and there was a lot of amazing discoveries into induced pluripotent stem cells, organoids, and a number of other techniques, especially on the imaging and analysis side. And now these 3-dimensional models are routinely used throughout the industry for toxicity screening, understanding neuroscience, cardiology, intestinal diseases, in the area that we're really focused on, which is oncology and cancer. We're currently working with many leading research hospitals and academic institutions and pharmaceutical companies throughout the world. The preclinical researchers, physician scientists are using patient-derived tumor models, where you can take a biopsy from a patient, turn it into an array of little microtumors that you can then dose with compounds and study the effect of those compounds on something that really represents that patient's tumor. It's a really exciting area. One of the more recent areas, though, is what we call immuno-oncology. And here you can look at immune cells interacting in real time with these tumor models. So it really allows you to look at the fundamentals of disease, look at resistance, look at the interactions of the immune cells and how the tumor microenvironment is trying to repel the assault on it by these immune cells. So it's a really exciting area. And we're very excited about what our customers are doing with our PUMA system, and very proud of the work that is going on in solving the puzzle that is cancer. So where do we go from here? Protein Fluidics, we have an amazing team that's capable of almost anything. When I look at the industry, there's a key pain point in the area of precision oncology and personalized medicine. Doctors want to be able to cure their patients. There's been this promise of precision oncology, just has not delivered. One of the areas of genomics is a very powerful tool that doesn't provide the information necessary for realizing the promise of precision oncology. And so what we are doing, we are working with the leading hospitals and researchers to develop functional precision oncology information, where you look at the interactions of drugs with tumor model in real time and see how does that respond functionally, not just what is the genomic makeup of the cancer. We feel that this information is going to be transformational to the industry and to the patients. I'd love to tell you more about it in the future.